Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product reviews, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you love to know about, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time when I'm here with a new video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a facial scrub. Yeah, this facial scrub is actually a long overdue video. Sorry I didn't post last week and last 2 weeks. I'm so sorry about that. I've been a little busy with some other things. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make facial scrub. Yes, I think this video is actually long overdue because a lot of people have requested for this video. Facial scrub is actually a very simple recipe to make actually, but since some of us don't know how to make it might not be that simple. So today, without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a facial scrub. But before we dive straight into the video, please do not forget that we do skincare training. Yes, we do skincare training. Chat up the number you're seeing on the screen for only online skincare at the moment. We do online skincare training, advanced, pro mix, organics, any skincare training. Don't go and be paying 400,000 for skincare. That is still the same thing that somebody that is teaching you for 100 will teach you. Is that the same thing that person that is teaching you for 400,000 naira will teach you? Come, let's give you the secret to real skincare products. You want to be your own boss, you want to make skincare product from scratch, you definitely want to chat us up on the number you're seeing on the screen. Yes, or check out our Instagram page at luminous_skincare. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into today's video. So this video is actually long overdue. Yes, I'm supposed to have done this video a long time, but I have not. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own facial scrub. This is my azelaic acid that I have here. I have 5% azelaic acid here. This facial scrub is going to work for anybody that has pimples or acne on their faces. So I'll be going in with 55%, 78% of my base cream. So I have a base cream already made, so I will just be using the base cream I already have. This is going to be my base. I'll be using 78% of my base cream. 78% of my base is what will be going into this plate. So I'm still measuring it in case you can't see it, but I'm using my scale to measure this. 78% of my base cream. Okay, this is 78% of my base. After I might have added 78% of my base into this, I will mix it very well with my azelaic acid that I have inside of this plastic already. I'll be mixing very well. So here is my base. The next thing that will be going into my mixture is my lactic acid. Lactic acid serves as an exfoliant. Lactic acid will be serving as an exfoliant. It will help exfoliate the skin very well. I'll be needing just 2 grams of my lactic acid will do. Yes, just 2 grams for exfoliating. So that's it. You don't need too much of your lactic acid, so you don't want to go in with too much. So 2 grams of my lactic acid will do. The next thing I'll be doing is the next thing I'll be adding to my mixture is my jojoba bead. Yeah, jojoba bead. I'll be adding just 1% to give it that exfoliating effect. I'll be adding my jojoba bead into it. Then I'll mix very well. After I might have mixed this, I'll be going in with other ingredients that will actually help this be more effective. I'll be going in with my turmeric powder. Have you actually subscribed to my channel? Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So the next thing I'll be going in is my turmeric powder. So I'll be going in with just a little of my turmeric powder because I don't want the turmeric powder to actually spoil the contents I have already. So after mixing with my turmeric powder, I'll mix very well. I'll mix this very well. I'll mix this very well. Then I'll add my lightening oil, because I want this scrub to give me a lightening effect. I'll add a little bit of my lightening oil to this. I'm adding my Indian lightening oil, so I'll be adding just a little bit of my lightening oil, my Indian lightening oil. Yes, this is just for lightening effects. This scrub is going to work for anyone that has acne, rough face. This scrub is going to work very well. And I'll be going in with a little bit of my preservative. So I'll be going in with a little bit of my preservative and a little bit of fragrance, because I want this. Going in with a little bit of my fragrance because I want this scrub to have a very nice smell, right? So I'll be going in with just a drop. A little drop will go a long way. So after I might have added my fragrance to this, I'll go ahead and mix very well. Mix really well. And this is what my scrub looks like after making it. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can see how beautiful this facial scrub looks. This can be used by dry skin, sensitive skin, any skin type. This is an organic facial scrub made from scratch, and this is still going to work very fine. Sorry I didn't add the azelaic acid in your presence. The azelaic acid was the one I was already using for other production, so I had a little left, so that was why I had to use it for this mixture. And this is what my beautiful scrub looks like. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. So that is basically how to make your own facial scrub. Yes, if you've watched my video to this extent and you've actually gotten a value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Until next time, see you guys. Bye. Peace out.